channel guys. Hindi Strong Life TV. Let's go to the little adventure, short adventure, okay? This is the way. Die Manok Baustelle, ne?
Und die ist ein bisschen woanders.
Ist das der Baustelle wo das hat es sind heute. So war heute in Heiligenwald. Ist das die Baustelle? Ampelsrot. Ayan. Red. Red ano? Stoplight. Red. Early bill. Oh. The German dog. Filipino, Hinduhasa. Then one is German. They said, your husband is German dog. They know the German dog, the shepherd. He of the German dog. Yeah, das macht Spaß. Ganz schön ist so. Very colorful the trees. Look at that. Also, come and see in the video, no? Yellow, green, brown, root. Look at that, guys. So all the trees now are colorful because see, it's already autumn. Yan, here's autumn. Oh, colorful, oh. Yellow, orange, red. Yung leaves. It's not really herbs, look. Why the other is not green? The leaves. It's not really complete. In November, that's maybe complete. The leaves will become complete yellow, red, orange, brown. Very nice to look if red. At that, guys, yan. May ano dito sa naayos nila yung daan. Ito ang nakakapag-traffic. Tinaklo the song in Regen. Regen site. How they are writing news. Corrupt. Also corrupt. The trees so ganito. Very nice, oh. Look at that, guys, oh. Trees too. Very nice. Trees, no? Look. See? And on the other side. Oh. Yung auto. Yung auto. Ito. Ganyan na lang. Signal. Is over, so this way is ayan ang red, oh. Look at that, guys, the red tree. Basta ayan, oh. The red. Kita niya yung red. Very nice, no? Oh. The red. Yan yung red. Yan, yung red carrot. Yan, the red is very nice. Wala ditong flat kind hochwasser here because look at that, surrounding is all are trees covering the trees, na? This had here is no flood. Oh, never flood here. Because had enough here trees and plants. Philippines not enough plants and trees. This have always had flood. So Philippines needs to plant the trees like this. No problem. Pag umulan, no problem, walang baha. Punta dito. Alam mo yung saan yung ano dito? The way is not really straight or flat. We are in under the tunnel. We are inside the tunnel, guys. Only short time. Nandito ka simple. Simple. Ayun no, mga trees oh, very beautiful. Oh, diba? Ayan no, mga trees. Ayan no, oh. Ang ganda tignan. Before nature. Mayroon ano to. Yan, pang tourist yun dyan guys. So, yung mga tourist. Porting Bala. And dito here, that is hotel. Building that. That is hotel guys. That building na yun. And this is our city. Not far away from our place. Only 10 minutes to drive. And this shop is for the sports. You see guys, the business here, the shop is not really in one place. Kalat siya, kalat. The other one there, over there. Kalat yung ano dito yung shop. Not together in one place. Dito yung pinaka-mall. Dito mall ito na. Das is mall. And this is the bridge. The parking plots. Parking. You can park the garden. And here the bridge. No? The bridge connection here. That is up to the mall. Maliit na yung bridge here. Very short bridge. And you see guys the dogs there. Two dogs there, yeah. German people likes very much the dogs. They pet almost dogs and cats. German people love very much nature and animals like dogs, cats, birds. Yeah, you know when have a birds in the garden, they feeding the birds in the garden. Feeding, that is not your birds. Ayun, mag-signal man na sa links. Yan, abitin. Mami po siya. Even lang may video, I can ano yan, scans no course marking. Gusto? When edit is das sa course mark. Gusto? Ganiso hashtag sa pwede mo. ka sa the margarine lang. Dito, make sense? Na? Puta on the side. We have enough ayos sa house of God. There's the umawilitas na ikaw. Hindi ba margarine? Margarine ba? Everyday now may na margarine. Na omega-3.
Ja,
Das die Oma.
ja.
In the in Lito field. Die Sab is well net in Aldi. Alis my wounds is nis in Aldi. Isliba Lidl hat nok. Lidl. Gips nok. Isliba gin in Lidl. Nito Riwe unwas aba Lidl Aldi is nis man art.
Die Oma ist jetzt nicht da.
Wer ist die Oma?
Weg mit seiner Freundin.
Hindi lang din. Lahat ng isang kaukindas, das so, puntan, dapat paglumin. Yun na, unuman yun, kaya pa siya. Ano sabihin? Ano sabihin, inga, gross class. So bisin dort ginawang latrapo lots gives no problem the next mag-parking here. Weiter Jan.
So, du holst den Korb, ich hol diesen Sack mit Erde.